So we start with the figure with the head. We go up here to try to get the line of action. She's got a very pronounced line of action here, which is really cool. And then we get this leg's going back here. Then we've got her other leg. I'm going to put straight up. It looks like it's just about straight up, so that's good. Notice that her foot is right here next to her knee, so I'm already looking for those kinds of things. I'm looking for triangulations. We've got shoulders that are going, here's a shoulder up here, here's a shoulder up here. And we've got the elbow is coming, if the knee is here, the elbow is about here. So I'm already working on that triangulation. So you want to get the whole figure on the page. You want to make sure that no part is left cut off and that everything is in proper relationship to itself. It's really the major trick is the relationships of the parts. It's easy to draw a part. It's harder to draw it into its space. Okay, we'll use the hair as a form, not as single strands. Now that I've got the line of action in there, I'm going to start putting in some of the shapes of the figure. Usually I will do after the head, and I'll go ahead and put the line in for her. See her face under the hair there is pretty much like that. I like to put the line of where the face is looking because it helps give the life to the figure. And then I'll draw what is essentially her rib cage is going to be here. And then her hips, which are going to be here, and I'll just use a circle for her hips because there's not a lot of detail on that. And then we've got a little bit of foreshortening, so we make this cylinder going here, this cylinder going back here, but it's a tapered cylinder. You see how short that is? That really looks short. If you look at the figure on the drawing, you can see that isn't very long. But our brain is telling us it is long. But my eye sees that it's not that long, and I'm going to look for the negative shape of this thigh that's inside this space and the foot. The other thing that I'm going to look for is here. This is really important. Look at how go across the knee, hits her hand right in the wrist. You know, another person might have put the hand up on the same level. Now it's actually, notice that's exactly what I did. So I am going to bring that down to where her hand is properly placed here near her chin. See where you drop a line down from her chin to her fingertips. And then we've got her shoulder here. So just gradually working in. So the question about the gesture drawing, where's the gesture? The gesture is, first of all, the line of action. Secondly, getting the limbs in the proper position, the proper approximate places. Thirdly, getting some shape of the parts. And if this was a 1-minute drawing, that would be my 1-minute drawing.